In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom in online classes. Whether you're a teacher getting ready to connect with your students or a student looking to join a class, this tutorial will guide you through the steps to efficiently use Zoom. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoom's website. You can do this by typing zoom.us into your web browser and pressing enter. Once there, look for the Sign In option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking this will take you to the Sign In page. On the Sign In page, you'll see several options. Today, we'll focus on signing in with Google. Click the Google button and you'll be redirected to a new page where you can select your Google account. It's important to choose the account you regularly use, especially if you're signing in for educational purposes. After selecting your Google account, allow Zoom to access your information. This step is necessary for creating meetings and inviting participants. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Zoom dashboard. Here, look for the Schedule a Meeting button. This is your entry point to setting up your online class. When you click on it, you'll be directed to a form where you need to input details for your meeting. First, type in the topic or meeting name. This could be the subject you're teaching or any title that helps participants recognize the class right away. Next, you need to select the date and time for the meeting. Be precise, ensuring that it aligns with your class schedule. Then set the expected duration of your meeting. This helps you manage your time effectively and lets participants know what to expect. Remember to choose the correct time zone for your class to avoid any confusion among participants in different locations. If your classes are recurring, you might want to select the recurring meeting option. This saves time, allowing you to set up multiple sessions in one go. A useful feature on Zoom is the ability to add invitees by email. Enter the email addresses of your students or meeting participants. Once everything is filled in, click on the Save button to confirm your settings. Following this, navigate to the Copy Invitation button. This will generate an invitation link that you can easily share. Besides the link, it includes all necessary details like meeting ID, time, and instructions for joining the class. To finalize, click on Copy Meeting Invitation. This copies the meeting details to your clipboard, ready to be pasted into an email or messaging platform to send out to your students. And there you have it, your Zoom class is now set up and ready to go. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to use Zoom efficiently, making your online classes more interactive and effective. Thanks for watching and good luck hosting your online classes.